Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I gonna show you how to connect your Raspberry Pi using an Android phone. Only a few simple steps are needed to connect. So first of all, you need to enable VNC on Raspberry Pi. So connect your Raspberry Pi using a desktop. After booting up your Raspberry Pi, open main menu and here preferences and Raspberry Pi configuration. Now you can see here interfaces tab. Click on it and enable VNC if it is disabled. Now you need to download two applications. First is VNC Viewer Remote Desktop. So open your Play Store and type search VNC Viewer. You can see here VNC Viewer Remote Desktop and install this application. After that, you need to download one another application, that is Network Scanner, for scanning our IP address of Raspberry Pi. So open Play Store and search Network Scanner. You can see here the Network Scanner. So open it and install. After installing Network Scanner, you need to open Network Scanner to know our Raspberry Pi IP configuration. So open it and you can see here my Raspberry Pi configuration, and then you need to open VNC Viewer. And in here, if you don't have a VNC Viewer account, then just create it. Now I am signing here because I have an account. So after that, enter your IP address of Raspberry Pi. Just I am entering here 192.168.1.3. After that, click on create and click on connect. Now you can see here asking a permission. So yeah, here, then click on continue. After that, you can see here the password. Password is our real VNC account. Password is the, so just type your password after creating an account and then continue. Here you can see my Raspberry Pi desktop. So if you don't know how to control in mobile phone, here you can see a box how to control your desktop. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.